Okay, so I wanted to do a comparison of all the JPY pairs. Um, so um, Here I have NZD Japan Yen, and on the left UJ. So the first thing that I notice is that on UJ we have a big, deeper retracement um, into this inversion Vega probably, and there we have reacted from, and now today actually the previous 2 weeks highs are taken, and the week before this was taken, so we now have kind of a dealing range. That's what I have marked up right here. This is NZD JPY. Here we can see it respected the bearish fair value gap. We wick to it, it created a turtle soup by this candle trading lower. And while trading lower with displacement, we had another fair value gap right here. And today the previous highs were taken, and we are closing in the lower end probably of this fair value gap, making this a bearish bias with the low of this week as the low hanging fruit, and the sell side more liquidity resting below these lows. So what I like to do now is to compare other JPY assets with the NZD, yeah, to determine maybe what is the best pair to trade this week or next week or whatever. So yeah, while this looks very bearish, NZD for US yen is pretty bullish to me. So that's kind of conflicting. However, these two highs are now taken, and probably we're closing inside the range. So this therefore can be our short-term bias to short these lows, and then this of course will be the low with the low hanging fruit. So if I had to choose to short one, I would prefer NZD because the price action is a bit more clear for me. Okay, so then let's compare it with OJ. This looks kind of similar to NJ, kind of the same story. We respected this fair value gap right here. We have the turtle soup over here with this candle, indicating that this high might all the way go down to here, but I'm not sure. But here it happened, the same thing happened. We have a fair value gap right here. We're respecting it, closing in the lower portion of the SIBI, and also probably closing below this high right here. So yeah, making closing inside range with this sell side liquidity as a good target. So that's kind of the same. Then GJ, not sure what it did here. GJ came into this gap right here, right there. Respected it, traded lower, but now it came all the way back up, and now it has created equal highs, and it looks like it is respecting maybe this volume imbalance. Also, we have a fair value gap right here. Looks like it is respecting it, and today it traded to the upside. And also there's order flow here still looks bullish. So BJ looking purely as this, I think this would be the target, the doll for this week. But I'm not sure, it is conflicting with my analysis on NJ, so not sure what to think about this one. Euro yen, what do we see here? We closed in this bearish value gap. It didn't make it up to this value gap. It's not even touching this volume imbalance. So it must react to this wick or maybe this order block right here. That's possible. Then price traded lower, respected this order block, right here, created higher, created BPR, and now there was some inefficiency right here, so that's been delivered to. We have a swing high formation, it took this high and closed back inside the range, so this might be a valid turtle soup. So that would mean that this would be a low hanging fruit target. Yeah, so this is also a bearish analysis. However, how you also can read it is the current order flow is bullish. Here's the fair value gap that got respected, and we are now closing outside of this fair value gap. So maybe this is therefore our target. I don't know. Catien. What do we have here? We've closed this inefficiency. We saw that earlier, and there is no volume imbalance right here. We are not trading into this fair value gap, so we must react probably to this inverted fair value gap. It did take out this high here, closed back in the range, so therefore we could expect this bearish reaction. Now it looks like it's reacting from this order block, pushing price higher. That's created a busy, and here we have a turtle soup, and now price traded higher. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure, but this is not anymore. So this would be, I think, TP1, TP2. So this one looks bullish to me because it's respecting the VC, and now it is going up. And then we have Chef Yen. Okay. Let's see, what do we have? We actually have a bearish deal range, it looks like. Deal range high, deal range low. But if we look at the more recent activity, this order block gets respected, price trades lower, trades into this order block, which got respected also. Then price negated this fair value gap, and here only we have lots of wicks, but here we have a inversion fair value gap which gets respected, and now we are trading down. This high did not take out this high, making this equal highs. There is no, oh, maybe this one, I think it's this one. Here's an inversion fair value gap. We tapped into it, now we closed above it, but here we have a big bullish candle. So considering this respecting this inversion, I would say bias is bullish with this as a target. So that's it. Thanks.